Previously on Pippa and Ava.
So yeah, 3 hours in. We're gonna go to bed and we will see you all later.
3:28 a.m.
Can't film! I'm trying to film!
Oh boy, just sleep, you idiot.
Ow! This is too heavy! Who the frick? I'm gonna lose it.
I'm losing it.
Everyone pick up a spouse. Everyone pick up a spouse.
Like, Jesus, what is wrong?
Oh.
Can't even itch my head! What are you doing? You're not doing it right now! Dumbest thing! Oh, I'm so injured!
The next morning.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So we're back this lovely morning.
I don't know if it's that lovely, but relax. I need to take my vitamins though. Gotta take your daily vitamins.
Sponsored by Vitafusion.
Not sponsored, but we wish.
Oh.
So I'm feeling a little adventurous today. So we're gonna add some
Wait,
protein powder.
isn't that what you always do?
No, it's not what I always do. Because, you know, like banana pancakes, I get a little hungry. So, yeah, I'm gonna add these in. Okay. Then we got coconut oil, which is very important.
You put coconut oil on your pancakes.
No, to cook with. Coconut oil, actually, a banana. And Bob's Red Hill Oats. Anyway, come along for the trip.
Okay.
And we need a cup, measuring cup chicken there.
What? We got half a
Half.
Why do you keep doing this?
Well, what am I
How
supposed
much
to do?
oats have?
Oh! Oh! No!
Oh.
Yeah. Okay. Half a cup of oats. Wait, are you planning on eating this? Because I'm not accounting for you here.
So then are you gonna stand with me while I make this?
How hard is it to pour oats? This is why mom spazzes at you, you dummy. Oh my god. Look at this. How do you miss the cup? How? How do you miss the cup? How? I'm such an idiot.
I just missed it, okay?
Yeah, because you're too preoccupied in how many views you're gonna get here.
Yeah, probably like 20.
20. That's why you're only proud. Anyway. I'm such an idiot. Okay. So do you want some? Because I'll put 2 bananas. Just get another banana.
You kind of have to come with me.
Well, I don't know if this is going to taste good, but we'll do that.
Yeah.
You can go figure it out, Christina. Just kind of like eyeball the milk. You just kind of put whatever you want. Real cooks do not measure. I think I put way too much. We'll see how it goes. If you measure stuff and actually measure your flour, then you're dumb. Like, what do you do with your life? Like, you're a protein powder, you just kind of just sprinkle some in and hope for the best. Because, you know, when you're such a good cook, you don't need to think about it. You just kind of know exactly what you need.
Okay.
Pinch of this, pinch of that. Welcome to cooking shows with Nicole. I think I'm gonna make a cooking segment.
Watch, I'm like Dwight from The Office.
Oh, make sure you zoomed in on the crusty toes, please. You can't throw it.
Swish, swish, bish. Another one in the basket.
Ever made in my life. Okay. Do a little sniff. Pretty good.
Okay, it's like...
Who said I was ready to light?
Well, you gotta let the pan heat up.
Just use it for the next batch. The banana coconut. They're technically vegan, but they're not today because we ran out of almond milk. But look at the batter, it looks very nice. We got a great consistency here. Zoom in on the consistency.
You want me to zoom? I gotta...
Okay, I'll just come in. Look at the consistency.
Beautiful daughter.
Beautiful. Okay, that's
Like,
thank
she
you.
gets that I'm trying to vlog with one hand and she expects me to like zoom and get like
What's
fantastic
our thing on?
footage.
Thanks. It would be really nice if we had some chocolate chips put in here, but
Oh, they made it.
these look like the best I've ever made them. Probably because
Probably because you were
I put extra milk. No,
Probably
no.
because of my extra banana and my love that I
No, I
added to
put
it.
extra milk. Normally I put 4 teaspoons. Real cooks do not measure. I met a vegan friend in my frosh group. Hashtag Martina.
Shout out to
And
my-
she told me how to make them. More milk is key. Look at them, look at them. That's all I've been eating.
Try a little taste.
Well, we don't even have
Spin.
plates.
Yeah,
you
you
use
use
this,
this and I use the one on top.
What do you mean?
There's 2 right there.
Look how many pancakes there are. Get this B-roll of the steam. Oh my god. Nicole, no one freaking
I don't think you can see the steam.
Watch me. Get out of the
You can see because my head's.
No,
Right there.
my phone's right here. It's closer.
Shh. Your brother didn't get a deal.
It's just great. It's still. Let's go.
Like, why do vloggers, like real vloggers, they always look so styling? We need to go shop.
No, it's because they actually care. That's how they get the views, because they look good. If we looked at
I know, that's what I'm saying.
Let's brush our teeth, boys.
Time to clean my room.
Oh god. Oh my gosh, Nicole. What is this? I was trying to show the kids. Okay, I'll try on this one.
No, I'm not trying on anything.
Bathing suit haul.
No, we're not showing it to the camera.
So I'll just keep my camera on me while Nicole tries
Yeah.
on the bathing suits. We're still handcuffed, don't worry.
Oh, can you stop?
Yeah, see, I was telling you.
Just unhandcuff me, turn the video up, no one will know.
So this is this one.
Look at my bell.
I think if no, you look skinny. Look. I told you this one would work. So if you're ever handcuffed to somebody, let's take this. Let's just focus on. If you're ever handcuffed to somebody, buy
Okay,
one
why would you ever be handcuffed?
buy one strap bathing suit so you can put it on with handcuffs. As you can see, her sweater is stuck here for now. Wow, work it, girl. Oh.
No. Stop!
We've arrived in Brampton. We're gonna get mugged at your house. Relax. Relax now. Be sad. Let's go.
I can smell Ya's candle we bought her from here. We need to get her a summer scent. You got ripped off in Chinatown. Hello?
That's what
Stop enjoying your hug.
What is that? Are you chained together?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know.
Criminals?
To get views.
You got the punch.
Bye.
Bye, children.
Still
No, I'm sitting in the front.
Yeah, they probably think you guys are like
watching
kinky.
us. Hurry up! King Handcuffed? I don't think so.
You guys are handcuffed.
You can't even sit in the front. No, he's not sitting in the front. I'm not getting in the car, so you're not gonna go to soccer.
Here, this is easier, Nicole. Just move over, Alex.
Throw this to you, yeah. Why is Ethan in the front?
I hope I got that. That's why she has the cuffs on. Not only cuffs, but she chokes people.
Facing us.
Yeah, I'm gonna watch. Let's play that.
Look at your zit.
The guy. Here's it, fugly.
This bitch has me sitting on the friggin' floor. So anyway, we're almost done. Like probably like 10 more seconds. The camera died for a bit, so we had to unfortunately we missed some footage of us walking the dog. The worst part about today was when I woke up at 8:30 and was attached to her and I couldn't leave the bed because she slept until like 10:30.
Okay, like 9,
Okay.
but relax.
Is it 10?
Yeah, it's 10:10.
We gotta go get the key. It's upstairs.
I'm not coming upstairs.
So then we're gonna stay like this.
I don't need a key. Ow! You're hurting me!
Bitch, what do you think, you can break up? Alex,
Look! Look! Watch! Ow!
oh my god, idiot.
Ah! Ah! I did it! Ow, 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 ow! I can't get past my thumb knuckle!
Dumbass, you're gonna break your finger. That's all. Thanks for 100 subs. Next up, I'm doing this with Alex.
Don't talk to me, Chris.
Shout out to our friend Jason for taking our new profile pic. So if you saw that on YouTube, it's Jason from our school that took it. I told him I'd give him a shout out, and he was like, "Aw." But yeah, he takes great photos. So thanks.
Peace on the street, son.